We're shifting gears from the field to the screen, talking tech like it's game time. You're sitting at a shared computer, or maybe you just want a clean slate in Google Chrome. Let's run this play, fast and simple. Chrome is open, you look top right, and there it is, the three-dot menu, your play caller. Click it, hover over History, then hit History again. Boom, you're in the film room, seeing every site you've visited, laid out like past games on the schedule. Now we attack. On the left, click Clear Browsing Data. A window pops up, make sure you're on the Basic tab, keep the playbook simple. Up top, that time range dropdown is your clock, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Want to erase just the latest drive? Go short. Want a total reset? Hit all time and don't look back. Underneath, those checkboxes matter. Make sure browsing history is checked, that's the star of this drive. You can also clear cookies and cached images if you want sites to forget you and free up some space. Read the options like a scouting report so you don't bench something you still need. Happy with the call? Smash Clear Data. Wait a few seconds, and just like that, your history is gone and you're back at midfield with a fresh set of downs. Clean browser, clean mind, now keep surfing like a champion.